Hi, I'm Chef Paulcia, and today I'll be cooking beef caldereta using Knorr beef broth. Try mo lang and taste the meaty difference.
Beef Kaldereta. Ingredients: beef kamto, vegetable oil, white onions, garlic, tomato sauce, Knorr beef broth, tomato paste, carrots, potatoes, mixed bell pepper. In a pot, heat some oil, then saute your onions and garlic. In high heat, add now your beef and saute for 3 to 5 minutes. When color of the meat turns brown, add the water, Knorr beef broth, tomato sauce, and your tomato paste. Bring to a boil. Lower the heat and simmer for 1 hour. Remove any impurities that surfaces. Add now your vegetables and simmer for another 30 minutes or until the beef is tender.
And this is my beef caldereta, made with Knorr beef broth. Try mo lang and taste the meaty difference. Thank you for watching!